We have the Geekria aluminum headphone stand. This is a cool little stand, very simple, looks elegant on your desk. And people are probably gonna ask, like, where'd you get this thing? And this thing's awesome. I love headphone stands on my desk. I'm not always listening to headphones, but when it's there, I can pull it off immediately. They also, I believe, sell this in a dual, so you can get one so you can put another pair of headphones on it. So if you're sharing a desk with somebody, or if you have two different style headphones, like a closed back, open back, it's great. I wouldn't say this is good for really, really heavy headphones. I believe they sell larger ones, but they also sell ones in different colors. So you kind of can go check out Geekria. They're kind of a one-stop shop for a whole bunch of these little sort of audio accessories. And they're on Amazon. They also have a website, so you can kind of see what they offer. They have headphone stands, headphone hangers, cabling, kind of anything you think of, they got it. And then they are also on Amazon, so you can get the 1-2 day shipping. You also get a 30-day return policy. So if you have any issues, or you don't know which headphone stand or headphone case that you want, kind of return it and you're good to go, really. And that's why I really like them. I like to support them too. So I just wanted to show you this and kind of give you a little bit insight into the great products that they are selling. So links in the description below if you want to purchase this product. And if you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, help support it. Thanks for watching, guys.